Install into your wall. This pet door is best for homes where it might not be possible to install a pet door into your human door. Gives your pet freedom. Let your cats and dogs come and go on their own schedule, perfect for potty breaks or playtime. Telescoping design for wall installation. Telescoping tunnel lets you use the door in walls that are 4 3/4 to 7 1/4 in thick. Compatible extension kits sold separately for walls thicker than 7 1/4 in. DIY installation. This do-it-yourself project easily installs in all types of interior and exterior walls. Cutting template and step-by-step instructions are included. Energy efficient. The double flap provides weatherproofing and energy efficiency, and a slide-in closing panel adds extra insulation when your pet is not using it. PVC frame withstands UV exposure. Large size. Large size for big dogs up to 100 pounds. Flap opening measures 10 1/4 in W by 16 1/4 in H. US-based customer care. Our pet product experts are here to help you and your pet and are available by phone, email or chat if you have any questions. Quality guaranteed. PetSafe brand has been a trusted global leader in pet behavior, containment and lifestyle innovations for nearly 30 years. We help keep your pet healthy, safe and happy. Top reviews from the United States. I have the dumbest dog in the world. Yet she figured out how to use this pretty quickly. Cutting through stucco to install this was a mofo, but the pro that I called wanted $250 to install plus the cost of a door, which he quoted me as double the price of this unit. I wouldn't say that this was easy to install, because stucco is such a pain to cut into. But it's also not brain surgery, so if you have a reasonable amount of common sense, then save the $, and do it yourself. If you do install yourself, and if you do have stucco, make sure you make good clean cuts so the stucco comes out in one clean piece. Wrap it up and store it so that if the next owner doesn't want the door, then you can just put that piece back in place and touch it up, attach it and reduce repair work, time, expense down the road. Now, if I could just get the stupid dog to take more than 3 steps out the door and stop peeing and pooping on the patio, literally 3 more steps to the grass, but she won't do it.